right, so we just got our fireplace and we got our couch, and the box is very tiny, so we're a little bit confused on how our couch is going to be, how it's going to look, if we got all the parts for it. Not sure yet, but he's inside the store right now returning our heater, and I think for today we're just going to make the house feel warm, cozy, clean up, do as much as I can, and just let him rest because he's still not feeling well at all. And yeah, so this is our day. I don't know if you can see that box. I'll show you once we get home. But yeah, it's 9:30. It's gonna be a chill day. He was talking about going to Concho Lake, but I think we just need to rest. I think he needs to rest. All right, look what else we got. We traded in that other heater that everyone did not like, and then Mr. Heater Portable Buddy. There we go. And it was like $115, I think. It works great. It's been on all night. It's connected to that little propane tank. Probably going to run out. And then there we go. Oh, good morning, guys. It's a new day. I don't know what day it is. Every day feels the same now. But we're home again. We stayed home last night. I did record us going to Home Depot really quick, but that's all. Yesterday was another very chill day. And it's 10 o'clock right now. I'm going to make us some breakfast. I think Spencer's still gonna rest for the day, so I'm just gonna clean up around here. I did set up the couch last night. He helped me a little bit. Anytime I got confused, he was like helping me as much as he could, but we just wanted him to rest. So yeah, I'll show you the couch. I'm just gonna take you along for the day. It's gonna be very chill, but we'll see what we get into. Alright guys, so we are back outside. We have just been relaxing on the couch, so here we are. I'm gonna load up this trash into Spencer's truck, and then we gotta take it to the dump because it's just piling up. So let's see how this goes. Oh, and I think Roku wants to come out. You gonna come outside? Okay. And there he goes. So he'll stay outside with me. Alright guys, and there we have it. A little egg burrito. It's very basic, very plain. No seasoning. But Spencer's sick right now and that's all he wants, so that's what he's gonna get. And then there's our propane little gas grill that we use. And we're low on power right now, so that's what we're using instead of the griddle. Right now, since we've been here, we've probably gone through about 3 propane tanks, I think. Maybe 4. We have 1 more left, so we'll see how long that lasts us. We're going through it pretty quickly. But there you go. There's breakfast. Alright guys, update. My burrito's done. It's basically the same, but I added sausage and some cheese. So we're gonna eat this, and then we're gonna clean up this mess. But it's really nice outside. I really like it right now. It's pretty cool, but feels nice and breezy. All right, so we got some cardboard for firewood, and it would be nice, but it's a bit windy, so we're not gonna do that yet. Loaded up the truck, and it is full of trash. We also have to take our couch to the trash as well, our old couch.
What's up, everybody? It is a brand new day, and today I am finally feeling back to myself. So what we're gonna do is, well, we have a lot to do. We're gonna right now we're just getting to cleaning up everything because it's just been 3 days of just being lazy, and it's a mess. And we're gonna get things cleaned up, possibly go to the dump today. And I got a whole bunch of cardboard that we are going to burn right now. A lot of it's wet, so I don't know how well that's gonna do, but we're gonna give that a try. And there's a lot to do, so hang in here. This is our first video back, technically. I think it's been like 2 days, so we got a lot to do. All the cardboard is gone, and we are going to get to putting the rest of the tile down today. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up a little time lapse of that, and I'll show you the finished product. All right, everybody, we just got the whole living room finished. The only thing that I got to do now is this little tiny portion in the bathroom. So the whole place is done other than the bathroom. So what we're gonna do next is I'm gonna go in there, we're gonna knock that out, and that's gonna be fully done. And we might even get to the bathroom window today, but we will see. All right, the bathroom all finished up. Toilet is officially installed. Everything is ready to go. And Jessica's over here getting everything nice and tidy. And then I'm gonna start packing all this stuff into the bathroom because this place isn't gonna be ready for a little bit. So I might as well just load up a bunch of stuff in here and use it for storage.
Alright guys, so it's pretty much done and all cleaned up. So here's the couch. It's way bigger and way more comfy, so we like it a lot better. Plus it goes closer to the wall, so it gives us more room. And then here's our little heater that we got. It's new. We traded in the other one for this one, and it works a lot better. And then everything's done, and this is our storage for now, I guess. So there we go. We are done for the day. We get to relax. But thank you guys for watching.